Hey, my name is Griffin, and this is my bike check. This is a Haro F3 frame. And I have a Sunday morning version 1 fork in the front. Specialized sealed 14mm hub with a hollow chromo axle laced to double wall sun rim. Redline hollow point stem. Fit bars, Primo logo grip, petro lever. And then I have a black label 25 tooth alloy sprocket, fit 3-piece cranks, animal metal pedals, KMC chain, premium fat seat, and fit seat post. And then in back I've got a sealed fit hub laced to a 36-hole alienation PBR rim. White brake cable, clear pads, Petro U-brake, Primo logo tire in front, and a Maxxis hookworm in the back. Cool.